Okay, here is my litter of 5 females, 1 male. Now the male is still available, and then there's 1 female that's still available. That male is still available. He's actually playing. They're pretty young, so if one of them's not playing, yeah, go ahead. I'm not worried about it at all. I just doing a quick video just to show them live. It's okay if they're not moving right now. They're just nervous. They're young. And then that female is still available. So I'm just going to do a fairly quick video just showing them moving around a little bit. Sold. A lot of these are sold. There's only 2 that are still available, a female and a male. And the one with the pink bow is still available. And then this male right here is still available. Those are the only ones that are still available. He's like, come on, let's get going. He's playful. Yes, you are. He's chewing on it. This little boy is still available. He's kind of fun to take a video of. And this little girl is still available. Aww, I know. Now this one sold. I'll do a quick video, kind of a. This one sold, sold, and sold. Still available. And still available. Sold. That's super cute. Yes, you're super, super duper. That's the blue bow. This is the blue bow. I can hear that one. You hear? Oh. Still available. And sold. The one with lots and lots of colors. Sold. Hi there, little buddy. This little boy is still available. And this one's sold. Now again, if they're not moving, they will be. Just give them some time. This one's really moving. Okay.